According to a press release from the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation, on the morning of May 24, the Ukrainian armed forces unsuccessfully attacked the reconnaissance ship Khurs of the Black Sea Fleet with 3 unmanned boats. All unmanned boats, as reported by the ministry, were destroyed 140 kilometers northeast of the Bosphorus. The crew destroyed the targets with 14.5 mm machine gun fire. Representatives of the Russian Defense Ministry showed a video recording of the moment when one of the naval drones explodes after a precise hit. The power of the explosion indicates that the drone posed a serious danger to the ship. Khurs is the first serial ship of Project 18280 and belongs to the class of medium reconnaissance ships, communication ships. The main task of the ship is to provide communications and fleet control, conduct radio reconnaissance and electronic warfare, and track the components of the American missile defense system and air defense systems. Her length is 95 meters, width 16 meters, speed 16 knots, cruising range 8,000 miles, crew 131 people. The ship was commissioned in 2018. Khurs is performing tasks to ensure the safety of the Turkish Stream and Blue Stream gas pipelines in Turkish Economic Zone. The protection of the gas pipelines by the Russian armed forces has been strengthened after the sabotage of the Nord Stream and the Nord Stream 2. Turkish Stream carries gas westward from Taman Peninsula, Russia through the Black Sea to a point west of the Bosphorus on the coast of European Turkey. The Blue Stream crosses the eastern Black Sea from north to south, arriving at the Turkish port of Samsun, about 700 kilometers east of the Bosphorus. They are very important energy hubs for Russia. In 2020, representatives of the U.S. Navy Fifth Fleet accused the Khurs of aggressively approaching the U.S. destroyer USS Farragut, which was performing a planned operation in the northern part of the Arabian Sea. The destroyer was part of an aircraft carrier group led by the nuclear-powered aircraft carrier USS Harry S. Truman. The Americans claimed that the Russian ship refused to change course, despite the warning beeps about the threat of a collision. The Russian side of the story is, the U.S. Navy destroyer was to the left of the Russian warship moving ahead, on January 9, 2020, flagrantly violated international rules for preventing collisions at sea by maneuvering to cross its course. The video recording of the incident confirms that the American destroyer did indeed cross the course of the Russian ship. The approximate distance from the Ukrainian-controlled territory to where the Khurs ship was reportedly attacked is over 400 kilometers. Because of the distance, a theory emerges about the possible use of one of the ships involved in the grain deal as a carrier of the Navy drones. Another theory is the Erdogan factor. Before the second round of elections, blowing up gas pipelines, destroying a Russian ship or disrupting the grain deal will be detrimental to the election efforts of the current Turkish leader.